How to fix FPL login problems. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix FPL login problems. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the FPL application on your device and make sure you are using your correct login credentials while logging in. If you are entering your correct login credentials and still you are not able to log in, then go ahead and make sure you are using an updated version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Fantasy Premier League and tap on that. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version of the application for the application to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Next fix for this issue is launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Fantasy Premier League application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if the issue persists, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the Fantasy Premier League application. You will see the remove option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Fantasy Premier League application and reinstall the application again, and your Fantasy Premier League app should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix FPL login problems. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.